This video, I completely disassembled this laptop all the way to where the motherboard was out of it. And when I put it back together, just the motherboard, I believe I had the motherboard and just the power button hooked up and the DC jack hooked up. That was it. And when I powered it on, it posted. It would post on the second power on. The first one probably was just resetting. So that tells me when I reassembled this entire laptop that there is a faulty part. And I'm thinking that it's either the keyboard or it's the DVD drive. So we're going to find out here right now. So the first step, we're going to take this keyboard off and we're going to close it. And all we need to do is take out this screw, and I believe this screw right here. So 1, 2, 3. So let's take out these three. Oh, and also to mention, the same stick of RAM that's in there now got it working, so we don't have to worry about it being bad memory. Alright, so let's flip it over, and I believe it should come right out. Yep. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're just going to pull this ribbon out, and in order to do that, there's two little sliders and you slide them forward. I like to get a flat head, and I'll slide one side, the other side, and then just pull the ribbon out. Alright, so now let's plug the power in. I don't have the battery in here, so I can shut it off real quick if I need to. Just pull the power plug. Let's go ahead and hit power. That's the problem. Power button light up, and there we go. So we have a bad keyboard. Just for extra confirmation, I went ahead and hooked the keyboard back up. I'll plug in the DC power supply, and now you see the power button's not lighting up anymore and the screen won't post. Let's try it one more time. Go ahead and disconnect this ribbon, pull the keyboard out, plug it back in. There we go, we got light on the power, and it's going to post this time.